Dave Snyder here. It's the 12th day of March 2014, and I'm going to take you through this whole process of how to do these alignments. At least this alignment. Once you get this one down, you'll be able to do all the other ones and some that I haven't even done, I'm sure. Okay, so what you want to do is okay, this is the alignment we're going to do right here. This is the lunar south pole over the Pacific Ocean. So what you got to do is you got to go to Google Moon like this. Go to here. You have to have Google Earth to begin with. Then you go to Google Moon, click on the moon. Sometimes it takes a second, especially when I'm encoding a video behind this, so it might take a little bit longer. It's kind of acting a little sketchy. Here we go. This is Google Moon. Oh, you got to turn these off. I got to turn these off. Hold on a second. You can't have the Earth overlays on when you got. Turn that off. I got to turn everything off. This is way up here. Maybe a little too high. Okay, so get all that turned off. There's your moon, and we're going to do the lunar south pole. So the lunar south pole is right here. You want to zoom in, pretty well. You just want to basically get the south pole. You don't want to get anything in there that doesn't need to be in there, because it'll make it too big and hard to overlay. So what you want to do is I usually turn this off, and I'll go like this, go to File and Save Image, right? And it just saves the whole, and you just title it whatever, title it. Go ahead and title it I don't know, I probably already got this up there. SP. Yep. I think so. Oh, maybe not. No, just SP? Okay, we can save it as SP. Okay, then you go back to the Earth. By clicking this, go back to the Earth. Yeah, I got a video encoding in the background, so it might take a bit longer than usual. Plus my connection, my signal's kind of... Uh-oh, see? Uh-oh. Cancel. Needs to close. Uh-oh. Well, we can just open it back up. It must not have the memory or something. I might not have the memory. Go ahead and just do it. Start it back up. This video should be pretty almost done here. There it is, done. Okay, that's video I'm going to upload in a minute. Close it. Okay, so now I got to, we're still rolling, right? Yeah, we're still rolling. Okay, so now you want to do this. You want to get right here, and you want to hit this button right here. This is overlay button. A new image overlay. Hit browse, and go to where your pictures are. You save it as SP. Right here. Now what you want to do before you put it on the Earth, you have to right click on it, open with Microsoft Paint. I'm using Windows 7. So here you go. Flip horizontal and save it. Click that button there and just close it, and then hit open right here. And there you go. Got it over the Earth. Now this right here is your transparency slider. You want to be able to slide that around. It looks like I put it in pretty good position on its own, almost. So now what you want to do to line this up properly, or the way, not necessarily properly, but the way I have it aligned, is you want to get this area right here, this dark black area. You want to get that over northwest United States, right here in this area here, right in there. Then you want to get this crater has to go to Hawaii, so you have to make it bigger. See, that's why I might have saved it too big, a little too big. If I can't stretch it out all the way, it's going to make it difficult. So anyways, we'll turn it, get that up there on Hawaii. It's right there, that crater, see it? Right there is Hawaii. Okay, might be, yeah, we're off. I gotta raise it up and then turn it. You also need to get this crater here aligned, right here, this curve of this crater aligned right in that little curve right there on the ocean floor. Then get Hawaii in there somehow, turn it. You turn it with this little diamond right here. See the diamond? Turn it like that. And bring it back over. There's Hawaii again right there. And that's pretty close. That's good right there, I think. Oh, no, we don't have this in the proper place. Anyways, you want to get that aligned, and I'll show you how I have it aligned with my original one here. So I'll hit cancel on this one. I'll just bring up the one that I already have in place. So you just want to save it. You leave the picture there. I have it saved as Lunar South Pole Pacific. I have this crater over Hawaii. Here's your transparency slider here. So it's over Hawaii. This dark black area is right here over that area of the United States. So that's set in place. Once you get that all set in place, you want to make sure this is lying down here too on the ocean. This part here. See how it is? Okay, that's got to be there too. Okay, then what you want to do is you want to go to Wonder Maps on the internet here, like this. And this has changed a little bit since the video I just got done encoding. It's changed a little bit, but we're going to save with our snipping tool. It comes with Windows 7. You're going to snip this out, hold the button down, mouse button down, and hold it all the way down till you get around to the other side, and then you let go, and it saves that image. Then you click up here. Well, it hasn't saved it yet, but now you want to click up here and title it. I always title mine Wonder something because they're from Wonder Maps, so it helps me find them. Wonder PC Pacific. Okay, so that's, then you hit close. You saved it. Now you close it. Come on, close. Okay, and then you go back to Google Earth. Turn this off for now. You're going to align it over the United States. You're going to use the borders of the United States. You're going to hit this button again, the Untitled Image Overlay button. Hit Browse, find your image, and it's going to be titled Wonder PC. Wonder PC. I hate when, there it is. Okay, so there it is over the Earth. Now you got to shrink it down because it usually puts it down too big. You want to shrink it down, and you want to get it to the right size here, and line up these borders right here over the United States. Basically, get this all in the right place. See that? It's a little too long still, so you want to get it, shrink it down a little more, bring it down to where the Gulf of Mexico or Gulf of California, whatever it is, lines up, Baja and all that. And sometimes you get it close enough and it's good enough, you know, you just get it close in there. So there you go, get that lined up. Let's see how it's a little too big still. Shrink it down. I think that's good enough. Get that aligned, get the Gulf lined up, get everything lined up pretty much. It's pretty close. And then you hit OK, right? Now, you have two things set in place. These pictures are set in place and saved over here, and they'll always be there, right? You title it whatever. I haven't titled it yet, but you save that there, and then you just, what you do is you bring up that image of the lunar South Pole, and then you just check that. You bring this. You can click this and bring it to the top. This one to the top, and you can see the shape. Let's see, it's a little bit off still, but you can always move this image of the Earth here, the weather, and just align it right in there if you want to, or you can just leave it where, see that? Look at that fit. Now if you watch the video I just made, it's even better. It shows it even better. But there you go. That's that right there. And then you can go around and sometimes you'll see the other parts of it fit in there pretty good. You have to kind of learn how to look for them, but there you go. Do that every day you see weather pattern right here. This is the weather pattern you're trying to align here. This teardrop shape is what you're trying to align, and you'll see that align every time pretty much. Depends on what part you save. You can get different things in there, you know, different weather patterns. But that's pretty amazing right there. Here, I'll show you the other one just in case you didn't watch the other video. Look at this one. Look at that teardrop shape. I moved it a little bit. Watch. Look at that. See that? Look at the V right here. That is a beautiful alignment. You see the disturbance here. You see the disturbance in the crater right here. I've already gone over that in the last video, so I'm going to cut it off right here. That's what you do. Just save it on your Google Earth and check it every day or whatever, whenever you get a chance. So that's it. Have a great day.